Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Now choose Allow in the pop-ups and click Home button. After that, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Apps over here. Then you need to select the default apps and tap on Home app. Over here, select iOS Launcher by clicking on it, choose Got it, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my HUAWEI. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!